Decoy systems. The psychological warfare of deploying fake missile launcher truck convoys. We force adversaries into a high-stakes shell game by saturating the battlefield with inflatable, heat-emitting decoys that mimic high-value missile batteries. By manipulating thermal signatures and radar cross-sections, we exploit the cognitive limits of aerial reconnaissance, wasting expensive enemy munitions on cheap balloons while hiding our lethal assets in plain sight. An enemy pilot just pulled the trigger on a multi-million-dollar precision missile, certain they've eliminated a strategic threat. But as the smoke clears, the only thing left behind is a pile of shredded rubber and hot air. Welcome to the psychological shell game where we use balloons to win wars. How do you hide a massive missile battery when satellite surveillance sees everything? The answer isn't better camouflage. It's saturating the battlefield with high-tech ghosts. Modern warfare has evolved into a battle of cognitive limits, where fake is becoming just as dangerous as real. We are deploying sophisticated decoy convoys that bleed heat and reflect radar exactly like the real thing. This is the hidden world of psychological warfare, where a $10,000 decoy can neutralize a billion-dollar air campaign. Modern satellite surveillance and AI-driven drone swarms have made the modern battlefield transparent, making high-value missile batteries instant targets. High-fidelity inflatable decoys are no longer just rubber balloons. They utilize metallic coatings to mimic the radar cross-section of a 30-ton launcher. The goal is to create a target-rich environment where the sheer volume of threats induces analysis paralysis in enemy command structures. To fool modern multispectral sensors, these decoys integrate internal heaters that replicate the specific thermal signature of a running diesel engine. Advanced materials allow these structures to be deployed in under 10 minutes, matching the rapid shoot and scoot mobility of real kinetic units. By simulating electronic emissions through low-power radio frequency emitters, the decoy provides a convincing profile for electronic warfare suites.